Moving can be one of the most stressful events in someone's life. From hiring full-service movers to renting a moving truck, there are many ways to make relocating simpler, and with today's technology, moving should be faster, more efficient, and convenient.
Moving can be stressful, there's no doubt about that. We've done studies that show moving is in fact the second most stressful event of someone's life, just after divorce. But to explain why it's so stressful, let's just talk about how moving and storage services have been done for the last several decades. You hire a mover, which is in fact usually a network of hundreds, if not thousands, of independent drivers, labourers, and warehouse operators. Your goods are loaded piece by piece into the back of a truck. That truck then moves across the country. However, your goods are often transferred through different warehouses, handled by different people in those warehouses, put on different trucks. This can happen 2, 3, 4 times by the time the goods actually arrive at the end destination. The end result is breakage, loss, and inefficiency. This move that you thought was originally going to take you 7 days or 14 days ends up taking 30, 60, in some cases 90 days. So this uncertainty that's associated with those goods and the lack of timing is very frustrating. Zippy Shell and 100 Pack Rat are changing the way that service is conducted.
Technology has impacted our industry tremendously and very positively. If you look at all the technology that's available today, customers can book and can request pickup and delivery online. They can store things, they can move, they can do all of this safely as well as in a cost-effective manner. In terms of visibility into the movement of your goods and your containers during the process, a lot of technology today provides push alerts to your mobile phone so that you don't have to bother calling anyone. You can see what's going on directly online. We're making big investment in technology to improve our customer experience. We're investing millions of dollars in these initiatives.
1-800-PACK-RAT and Zippy Shell have helped over 500,000 customers with all their moving and storage needs. Their all-steel portable storage containers ensure your items are kept safe and secure while providing the best customer service in the industry. Leverage the power of 1-800-PACK-RAT and Zippy Shell to make your moving and storage needs simple today.
1-800-PACK-RAT and Zippy Shell exist to make moving and storage simple. Everything we do is to help improve the experience for our customers, make it easier. So whether you're looking for a storage solution or a moving solution, we have flexibility with each.
I started back in 2010 with a concept that let's figure a way to move people's goods across the country as efficiently as you can ship a package. You can ship a package in Amazon across the country in 7 days, right? The Postal Service can do it in 7 days. It's the same trucks, it's the same system, the same process. All we need to do is put those goods inside a large package and ship them. And that's where Zippy Shell came about. We developed the most efficient and one of the fastest goods shipping networks in the country through Zippy Shell. In 2015, 1-800-PACK-RAT, who has been around since around 2005, had developed a wonderful national network of company-owned operated warehouses. These warehouses ran over 35,000 containers across the country. What Zippy Shell needed was that network to do the last mile delivery. So back in 2015, we merged Zippy Shell 100 Pack-Rat together. Effectively brought the best-in-class shipping, combined that with Pack-Rat, which had the best-in-class last mile delivery. And so then we truly had this national network for shipping people's goods, containerised goods, around the country. Since then, what we've done, based on that infrastructure, is build out a wonderful technology networking system. With the containers being tracked, whether it be in the warehouse or whether it be in between our warehouses, we know where that package is. You can call our customer service centre at any time and we can give you an update. It fundamentally takes out that most stressful experience of moving, which is where is my stuff and when is it going to get there? Well, if you move with us, we know exactly where it's going to be because of that technology overlay.
I'm really glad I found 1-800-PACK-RAT. It's an absolute godsend when I looked at the other alternatives.
They have been fabulous from the moment we called them.
Their customer service was the best I've seen. They're professional, they answered my questions, they worked with me, they met my needs. Well, everything they promised, they did, and more. I want to thank them for helping make this move and dream possible for us.
We're investing in two things. One, continued, complete digital transformation of the business. People can access everything we do from the mobile device of their choice, from any website, and just streamline everything down to apps and online. The second key thing for us is we're going to continue our growth across the U.S., really to help serve cities across the U.S. that don't have the service today.
To learn more about 1-800-PACK-RAT and Zippy Shell, visit 1-800-PACKRAT.com or call 1-800-722-5728.